Whenever you need to export your product data from Sellercloud, there are several easy ways to do this. Let's take a quick look at each of your options. The standard option lets you export products to a number of different predefined formats. First, go to your catalog and select the products you want to export from the list. Next, click the Action menu and scroll to Export Product Catalog Information. Note that you can use the search field to find any action here by keyword. For a standard export, choose the option you want and click Export. This action creates a queued export job that you can easily monitor. Just click on the job number to check its current status. A completed job means that your product data was exported successfully, and you can now download the file to review it. This next option lets you export product data to a file that you can customize for your unique needs. Click on the Custom option and then Next to continue. Here's where you choose the specific column headers to use for your export file. You can scroll through the list of columns or use the convenient search feature to find each column by name. When you're done adding columns, just click on the plus sign to move them all over to the selected side. Now you can choose how to sort the product data in your output file and choose the type of export format. You can then download your custom export file whenever the queued job is complete. Another option is to export data using a mapping profile you already created, so that your output file's columns meet specific requirements or contain static values. Go ahead and select Mapping Profile and then choose one from the drop-down list before clicking Export. Once the queued job's complete, you can download the output file so you can review it. You can even export product inventory across multiple warehouses. For this option, go to Manage Inventory and select all desired products. From there, find the option to export product inventory information and then export inventory per warehouse. The queued job for a warehouse inventory export will produce a text file that you can then download and open up to see all the results.